Do you want to know how you can log into your Intuit Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Intuit Payroll account. Go ahead and open the browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for Intuit Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Intuit accounts. You can sign in using your email address or user ID or your phone number. If you want to sign in using your phone number, go ahead and click on it and write down your phone number after you select your area code. Make sure that your area code and phone number is correct. Go ahead and write down your phone number and then click sign in. An OTP code will be sent to your phone. Verify it and write down the code over here on the screen, and then you can log in using your phone number. While you can use the email address too. So what you need to do is write down your email address or user ID over here in this box. After you do so, you can click remember me or else you can just click sign in. Then a password box will pop up if you have an email address connected to Intuit. Write down the password in that box and click sign in again. This way, you can successfully sign into your Intuit Payroll account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Intuit Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.